started to collaborate with Salam Music 2 years ago. I think Salam Music and CEU shares many parts of their mission, so that's why it is an amazing collaboration. There have been 3 interns who have been working for Salam Music, and now they are also project assistants. So I like this kind of collaboration, that students get to know an association, and it is also a job opportunity for them after a while. It is a project initiated by students in an academic framework. So for me, it is important that I leave the creativity to the students. They can come up with ideas. If there is problem solving, they are the first one who tries to solve it, but I am there to help them. So it's a really safe space for them, and making sure that it is not chaotic to the partners, to the audience, and it is not too chaotic or too much work for themselves as well.
The name of the project is Salam CEU. It was developed in a collaboration with the Salam Music Festival in Vienna, and our general idea was to gather different ideas from students and present the diverse cultures that Salam Music Festival works with in the cultural environment of Vienna. In the result, we developed 3 projects, one of which can be seen on the background. It's a historical exhibition covering the history of the Salam Music Festival, since it exists already for more than 20 years in Vienna. Another part is a carpet installation, and the third part is our event, which happens today, and it's a movie screening and a panel discussion on the topic of female artists in Iran.
I'm Arianas. I did a master's in sociology and social anthropology at CEU, and today I'm going to talk about how informal networks within the authoritarian context of Iran are important and are crucial to sustain different forms of resistance, and how small informal friendship groups will become a potential for creating artistic projects, political projects, and activist projects.
Salam, of course, covers a very diverse kind of group, so they are welcoming artists from Middle East, North Africa, and I think also us as immigrants in Vienna, we kind of also responded to the values and the concept behind the whole festival, being new in the city and trying to contribute somehow. So for the whole year, basically, we were working on projects, just a lot of brainstorming with students. It was definitely such a beneficial experience for me to get to know the people behind Salam Music Festival, the team, and also to create something that speaks to people and potentially resonates some thoughts and, I don't know, action maybe.